Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Olaplex and like what it can do for your hair, and basically I'm going to be trying out some of the products and just kind of showing you before and after of me using the products, like without Olaplex and with Olaplex, because I want to show you what Olaplex can do for your hair. I think if you have like colored hair, like if you dye your hair, if you have chemically treated hair, any kind of damage like that, then you really just need Olaplex in your life. I really don't think it's like optional. And if your hairstylist doesn't use Olaplex when they dye your hair, then you need to find yourself a new hairstylist, because I feel like Olaplex really changed the game when it comes to hair care. And I feel like it's allowed people who have like naturally really dark hair like me, like I have naturally black hair, I feel like it's allowed us to like go super light and get like light ash brown hair or like dark ash blonde hair, because you're able to like lift so much with like really minimal damage. And I know when you dye your hair like from black to blonde or black to balayage or whatever, of course there's still gonna be damage, but if Olaplex wasn't like a thing, then it would be so much worse. And I remember because when I was in high school I got my hair done and Olaplex was not invented yet, and I remember it was so crusty and crunchy and like orange and just nasty. Like I would curl my hair, I would hold it for 3 seconds and the curl would last for like days because my hair was so dead and like damaged. But now I get my hair done, my hairstylist uses Olaplex, I use Olaplex when I get home, and when I curl my hair I still have to hold it for like a million years because my hair still won't hold a curl because it's not dead. It's still alive. That's what this video is going to be all about, and I'm going to just do like a little demonstration of what my hair looks like before and after and just kind of show you. I have used Olaplex number 3 and number 6 before in the past. Like you can tell the bottles are like almost gone. But my friend got me Olaplex number 4 and number 5 for Christmas, I think. And I like hadn't used it yet because I was like, oh, I'm gonna save it for when I get my hair done because I know my hair's gonna be really damaged and that's when I'm gonna need it the most. So I literally didn't use it until now. So I'm gonna be trying these out, I guess, like on camera for the first time with you guys. So yeah, and you guys, we just hit 9,000 subscribers recently, so thank you so much. And now my new goal is of course to hit 10,000 subscribers, so if you're new, make sure that you subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna hop into the video, but before I do, don't forget to hit the like button, and yeah, let's get started. And I will insert clips of the before of my hair. As you can tell, it's pretty like crunchy, crusty looking. The color doesn't look great, it's just, I mean, it's just kind of a hot mess. But this is kind of how my hair gets when it's damaged. And if you have damaged hair, I'm sure you can relate. So I'm going to start with Olaplex number 3 because I feel like this is the most important one. It's the hair perfector, and basically it's a bond repair treatment that repairs and strengthens all hair types. I feel like if you have damaged hair, then this is definitely more like worth your money because it's gonna repair the bonds of your hair that like bleaching and like chemical styling will kind of destroy. And that's kind of what makes your hair look really fried and like frizzy and dead and damaged. So I feel like if you have damaged hair, then this is worth it because it's really gonna repair your hair and bring it back to life in a sense. If you have pretty healthy hair, I mean, I'm sure you can still like try it and see if you like it, and I'm sure you will still like it, but I don't really know if it's like worth it because Olaplex can be pricey. Like this tiny little 3-ounce bottle is like, I want to say like $28, $29. So I just don't know how worth it is if you have super healthy hair. I feel like without this, my hair is like poofy, it's tangled, it's like it's just a mess. Like it doesn't look good at all, and it feels like almost crunchy and like dead, like hay. And if you have like you know, dyed or colored or bleach your hair and you want the color to look nice, I really feel like you need to use Olaplex, because when your hair is healthy and shiny, the color will look really nice. But if it was like dead and dry, the color will look really dull and it won't even look good even though you spent a lot of time for the color. And the way that you use this is you have to wet your hair first. So what I do is I just stand outside the shower, part my hair in half, I lean in, get this side wet, flip around, get this other side wet, and then I would just apply this over my hair. I honestly don't even use that much of it. I feel like maybe I should use more, I'm not 100% sure. But I feel like this is the amount that I use is okay for my hair right now because I do have really thin, fine hair. If you have thicker hair, you might need to use a little bit more, especially if you have like long hair. But you're supposed to leave this on for at least 10 minutes. And I used to leave this on for like hours, like as long as I possibly can, because whenever I did that and I washed it out, it would feel so good. Like my hair would literally feel so nice, and I just felt like the longer I left it on, the better the results was. But recently I watched this video, I want to say it was like Abby Young's video, and she said that she contacted Olaplex and asked them specifically like how long are you actually meant to leave this on, and they say that the product stops working after 30 minutes, so any longer than that is like unnecessary. But in my personal experience, I've always felt like the longer I left it on, the better. And I know there are people who like sleep in it and stuff, so I just don't really know what that's about. But if I have the time and the energy, I will still leave this on for as long as possible, because personally I just feel like it works best that way. But definitely leave it on for at least 10 minutes. And I feel like of all the products, this is the one that makes the biggest difference, because it's actually repairing the bonds in your hair and actually like bringing it back to life. I feel like everything else is nice, but this is like a must-have for me. Like every time there's a sale at Sephora, I get this, because I know like I have another bottle somewhere, just like a full-size bottle that I haven't even opened. And I did this even when I had like black hair before I dyed it, because I knew that like I will dye my hair at one point, and after that I will for sure need this. But yeah, when I use this, I feel like my hair is so soft and silky and shiny after. I feel like the color just looks way better. Like it looks a little bit less orange to me, I don't know why. But I would just leave this on for like as long as I can, and then I'll just go ahead and wash it out in the shower before I shampoo and condition. And then I did go ahead and try out the number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo, as well as the number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. This shampoo, really like, you only need a tiny bit because it really like suds up like a lot. And I am not 100% sure how much it does for my hair. I feel like most shampoos are very similar, because it says repair, strengthen, and nourishes all hair types. And I feel like it was good. Like I think it made my hair softer and everything like that. But shampoos, I just don't think like do a lot for your hair in general, so I don't really know if I noticed like a huge difference with this. And then I also tried the Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner, and again it says repairs, strengthens, and nourishes all hair types. Same thing with the shampoo. I feel like you just need a tiny bit of this, because a little bit goes a really long way, and you can really like, I think you only need like a quarter size amount to apply to like your whole ends of your hair. And normally I don't put my conditioner here like by the roots, but because it's so dead, I have been doing that, and I do feel like it calmed down the little tangly mess around my head a little bit. This conditioner I do like. I do feel like it made my hair soft, and I feel like it made it silky, because when I was rinsing out my hair in the shower, my hair definitely felt a lot softer and more silky, and I feel like it did help like kind of detangle the bits right here where I was having an issue with. This was a very buttery and like moisturizing conditioner. But I am very curious to try out the hair mask, because I actually got it from my mom for like, I don't know if it was Mother's Day or Christmas or her, I don't remember. But I remember getting it for her, and she told me that she really liked it. I think it's the number 8, I want to say. And I really want to try that because I've heard really good things about it. And this is a really good conditioner. I feel like it's in between a conditioner, like a good conditioner, and a hair mask. But I personally prefer to use something more like a hair mask, something more intense, more like thick and buttery, and really something that's gonna bring my dead, damaged hair back to life, you know? Normally when my hair is this damaged, I just use shampoo, and then I would just skip conditioner and go straight in with a hair mask, because I feel like it needs it. But this is a really good conditioner, I think, if you want something for like more for like every day, because you're not supposed to use a hair mask like every single day. I only wash my hair once a week, so I feel like it's fine to use a hair mask since I'm technically only using it once a week. But if you do wash your hair more than that, then I think this would be a really good conditioner for like daily use, and then you can save your hair mask for like once a week. And then lastly, I tried the Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother, and I've tried this before like a really long time ago. It's basically just like a leave-in conditioner, and it's supposed to eliminate frizz, hydrate, and protects your hair. And I used this a really long time ago, and I actually didn't like it because I used it in combination with like another hair oil, and I think I was using too much of this and too much of the hair oil, so it made my hair like clump together, and like it was just kind of greasy and like nasty, and I really didn't like it. But this time I tried it without the hair oil, and I only used a tiny like little pea size of it, which I think is what you're supposed to do. And I actually really liked it, because what I did is I just ran it through the ends of my hair, but I just left it. I didn't like brush it out, I didn't like blow dry my hair, I just let my hair air dry. And then the next day, once my hair was fully dry and I looked at the ends, I did notice that the ends were like way less frizzy and they were like very straight rather than like fraying and like splitting everywhere, if that makes sense. And I do feel like this does make your hair softer and like more shiny and stuff like that. And then I will insert clips of after using Olaplex of what my hair looks like, and I mean it's kind of what my hair looks like right now also. And I just feel like my hair looks so much better, like shinier, softer, smoother, less frizzy, and I think the color looks a lot better as well. So overall, how I feel about the entire Olaplex system, I really like it. I think their products are really high quality. I think it's really interesting that they decided to go with such simple packaging. I don't know, it just gives me the feeling that their products really work and they don't have to be like super flashy with the packaging. It can just be simple because the products like speak for themselves in a way. Again, of course, my favorite is number 3. I think if you're gonna get any of the products in the entire system, number 3 is probably the one to get if you have damaged hair. You have normal hair, then maybe I'm thinking the hair mask, even though I haven't tried it, because I just don't know if this is worth it if you have healthy hair. How I feel about the other products, I do like them. Like I like the shampoo, I like the conditioner, and I think that it works well together as like a little system. And I think if you have damaged hair, it is worth the money. But if you are thinking that it's kind of pricey, or you feel like you don't want to get like the whole system, you just want to start with one thing first to see if you like the brand before you like dive into it and buy like the whole set, then definitely number 3 is the one to try out. Alright guys, that was it for today's little video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you next time. Bye!